Hello, it's Kev from dataSights, and in this video we're going to talk about the caching service. What is it, why do you need it, and how to use it. So in direct query mode in Power BI, reports can get slow, and the reason is twofold. One, people are pulling in way too many tables and using Power BI desktop to do the modeling. That means that you're asking Power BI to generate all this horrible SQL, and it's not very good at doing it, and it basically just slows everything down. So what we prefer to do is help you look at your reports and then create SQL views, which is essentially like mini report layouts. They say, based on the report output, what columns from which tables do you need? And let's just create one view that you can pull down into Excel or Power BI or wherever and reuse that. Put a bit of logic in there, and it's much easier to then do the reporting. And just as importantly, it's much easier to make that performant by adding indexes and things that we take care of for you. So that's great. We've now got a SQL view. That's fantastic. But there's a step that we can do to improve that. And what we do is we essentially, after we sync your data from your systems into your cloud database, we execute that view, we call that data, and instead of running all those calculations every single time your report runs, what we then do is we take that SQL view data and we store it in a table. And this is what we call our caching service. There's no change to your Power BI report. It just uses the table instead of the view, and things become much, 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 much quicker. More performance, more reliable, and more stable. Yeah, and so that's it. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, just hit us up. And the question is, I have a SQL view, Kev. I would like this to be more performant, Kev. How do I do this, Kev? Well, the bottom line is you log into your portal. You come here to the caching service. We've only got one SQL view in this table. And quite simply, all you need to do is just click Add. So it just confirms that you're sure you want to do this. And boom, that is now done. Next time your data syncs, we're going to execute that view. We're going to put it into a table, named that view, so that to your Power BI reports, it's all just seamless. And you're away. You'll notice a significant time improvement in your reports. And we've used this in multiple clients, multiple situations. It's solid as a rock and super, super fast. Okay. Pleasure being your data partner, and we'll chat to you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.